Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on your RealMe 15 series phone. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on Settings. After that, go to Chats and tap on Chat Backup. Here, you need to select your Google account because WhatsApp stores backups in Google Drive. If you want, you can also turn on Include Videos to back up your videos as well. Now, simply tap on the Backup button and wait for the process to complete. Depending on your internet speed and backup size, this may take a few minutes. You can also set automatic backups to daily, weekly, or monthly. If backup or restore is not working, make sure your internet connection is stable, your Google Drive has enough storage, and WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So that's how you can back up and restore WhatsApp messages on your RealMe 15 series phone